Welcome to this quick guide on turning on miscellaneous notifications in Gmail. If you want to stay on top of those smaller updates without being overwhelmed, this can be a game changer. Let's walk through the steps in a simple, straightforward way so you can customize Gmail's alerts just the way you like. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your device level controls live, from Wi-Fi to app permissions. You'll want to start here to manage how Gmail notifies you. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the apps installed on your device, giving you control over their behavior. It's a handy place to fine-tune notifications for individual programs. In the apps list, find Gmail and tap on it. Opening Gmail's app settings lets you adjust everything from permissions to notification details without affecting other apps on your phone. Now, look for notifications within Gmail settings. This is where you'll decide which alerts you actually want to receive. Tap Notifications to see the available categories and channels you can customize. Within notifications, you'll notice several categories. Tap on notification categories to drill down into the different types of alerts Gmail can send you, such as new mail, important mail, or chat messages. Each category can be tailored to your preference so you're not inundated with every ping. Scroll to the Miscellaneous section. Here you'll see a category labeled Miscellaneous. Tap on it to view the specific options under this umbrella. This category manages those smaller, less obvious alerts that aren't tied to a main mailbox event, but can still be helpful to catch. Find the Miscellaneous option itself and toggle it on. Turning this on activates alerts that cover a broader range of less critical updates, which can include things like feature changes, app tips, or occasional system prompts. By enabling it, you'll gain an extra layer of awareness without having to keep checking the app manually.